Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to make a FiveM server. Setting up your own FiveM server involves a few key expenses you should know about. These costs typically cover your server's home online, any special features you add, and sometimes hiring help. Getting a clear picture of these initial investments is crucial for a successful launch. Your server's home, or hosting, is usually the biggest recurring expense. Basic hosting can range from around $20 to $100 each month, varying with the number of players and desired performance. While FiveM server keys themselves don't cost anything, choosing a dedicated server option could significantly increase your monthly expenditure. Always prioritize stable hosting for a smooth player experience. Beyond hosting, adding unique features or visual elements usually involves purchasing scripts and assets. You might find individual scripts for as little as $5 or larger, more complex packs costing several hundred. If you need something truly unique, hiring a developer could cost between $20 and $100 per hour. Remember, many free resources are also available to start. Don't forget the ongoing costs of keeping your server running smoothly, like updates and community support. You might also encounter unexpected expenses for new features or necessary upgrades. A reasonable starting budget for a decent FiveM server typically ranges from $50 to $300. Expect monthly expenses for hosting and ongoing improvements to be between $20 and $150.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.